Have you been looking for a way to monetize AI? Are you a digital business owner who wants to unlock unlimited income in the AI economy? Are you an online course creator, website designer, marketing leader, sales professional, or someone looking for a life-changing way to make money in the creator economy? My name is Jack Amidei, and I'm the founder and creator of BizRise.io. I teach digital businesses how to create AI-powered web apps on FlutterFlow. To make AI effective, you need to optimize a process. That's how you do it. Enroll in our How to Build a Web App course on FlutterFlow starting September 13th. There'll be an in-class course with me to develop an AI-powered web app to optimize your process. Here's what we'll learn. After you join the AI Factory free, make sure you come in here and click on Classroom, and we're going to go to Start here. We're going to go to the Welcome in Course Outline, step number 1. Let's scroll down and take a look. Right here is where you can register for how to build an AI-powered web app on FlutterFlow. The course starts the 13th. I will teach that in person myself. We just do it live, either Zoom, Google Meet, or on the Discord server, depending. And early registration has started, so you get 50% off until Wednesday, September 11th at 8 p.m. All right, jump on the early bird discount. After that, it's going up to the $999 mark. All right, jump on the early bird. Okay, from there, we are going to kick off the course Friday, September 13th with just an introduction. All right, what is FlutterFlow? What is Firebase? What's Gemini? How can we really tie this in? But we're going to open up just class discussions on Monday, September 9th. Hey, my name's Jack. Here's what we're going to do. Introduce yourself. What are some things you want to learn about a web app? What are we planning on teaching? That way you can have an idea of what we're going to do in the course. And let's take a look at the outline on a Google Doc. All right. So here's what we're going to do for the outline. Like I said, day 1, we're going to have that introduction. Day 2, we're going to understand process optimization. That's really how you make AI effective. You got to optimize a process. We are going to build a web app in a low-code, no-code application called FlutterFlow. It's incredible for beginners. You're going to love it. And then we're going to take a look at a schema. Let's get an idea of what we're doing. We really want to map this out. The more you plan, the easier this goes. So we're going to do a simple process optimization schema. It'll basically be based off of the AI community assist for your school community. Optimize a process. If you're going to set up a community, how are you going to optimize that with AI? We'll go over that map. And day 4, we're going to talk about Firebase. That is going to be our database for the app. Think about your database as your storage facility. That's where everything goes. That's where we control everything. And we're going to keep that organized and up to date. Day 5, we're going to go create a logo and make some templates to make our design a little bit better. We want to make sure we just have a couple of colors in mind and be ready to go. Then we come back on day 6. We're going to go introduction to FlutterFlow. We're going to create our first app. All right. Day 7. We're going to develop a products and services page. This is going to branch out a couple different ways, but we want to start with what are our products and services. We're going to have an open work day. Whenever I do a new page on FlutterFlow or a new process, I like to teach it the first day, and then the second day, leave it open for questions and, hey, this isn't working, this container is not right, or I can't get the data set up. So I leave that as an open day after we learn something new. Day 9 is how to create an AI assist. So the one we did to create your community plan. We'll go over that flow to really put that gamification in there and then show you how to insert play a sound, stuff like that. Again, we have another live open work day. And then we're going to the prospector. What did we learn? Let's get our product service in there, see what our advantages are, start selling it. We'll develop that in there next. It'll come from our products and services. Again, open work day. Then we're going to go to the drag and drop email builder so we can write marketing emails, we can write personalized emails, and open work day. Day 15, the drag and drop marketing flow. We're going to get that in there so you can start making posts. Let's hit some people up. Now let's start doing some marketing. Let's start selling. Let's go already. All right. Day 16, we're going to test, but we're really going to do like a midway celebration day. Hey, good job. We got an app up and rolling. Let's start selling it. Let's celebrate. Talk about some wins. Just kind of get a summary in the middle of the course. And then on day 17, we're going to go check out creating AI assistants for our web app on Vertex AI. We're going to create these AI agents from the outputs of our drag and drop web app that we created for our company. So we're already going to have the information. Day 18, we're going to take this agent and go hybrid. That's where you really get some of the cool data analytics, and we're going to put in a YouTube video. Then we'll have an open work day after that. Make sure our agent's set up right. Day 19, we're going to deploy our Vertex AI agent to our FlutterFlow web app. All right. Day 20, we're going to create a chat part of our app. You got to have a chat, right? And then we're going to have an open work day. Day 22, this will be kind of a cool one. We're going to create an e-commerce drag and drop. And this is going to kind of be multifunctional as well. I think you guys are going to like that. It's to enhance really anybody doing e-com, drop shipping, fashion, anything online where you're selling something, it's going to benefit you. Day 23, what we're doing, open work day and live. Just, hey, let's see what we got going on. Same thing, right? Make sure everything's working. Day 24, I love this one. Vertex AI Search is a cool feature you can add to your site to enhance your user's experience and provide another tool to help you generate an income. These things are awesome, especially if you're teaching a course. Teach it once, give it to the search bar. The search bar can find any information. It's incredible, and it has Gemini as well. You guys will love that. Day 25, we are going to deploy that search, and we're going to do an open work day. Sometimes different platforms function differently. We'll figure it out. We're going to get that custom URL set up and ready to go. And we're going to launch that platform. Now that our web app is live, we're going to create some social media channels so we can start promoting it, marketing it harder, and really put this thing to use. Day 28, we are going live. We're going to set up a live stream. You're going to love it. This is just the way to go. It's so much more efficient. 29, we are going live, open work day to make sure we get your live stream set up. There's settings specific to everybody. It's just good to interact and really figure it out live. Day 30, we're going to talk about how to sell web apps and web app development. It's future forward technology, but sometimes it gets a little complicated when you're talking to people. So we're going to learn how to sell that, talk about the advantages, the benefits, and why they're just so much better than a regular old website. Day 31, we're going to do graduation and social media pump train. We all just jump on our live stream, pump each other's social medias, follow, like, share, engage, just have fun. We worked hard. We're going to enjoy this, and we're going to see if we can grow each other's web apps live. And that is what you're going to learn in the How to Build a Web App course inside the AI Factory. We're going to develop an AI-powered web app just like ours, BizRise.io, and unlock the unlimited income potential for you in the creator AI-powered economy. It's about optimizing a process, and the sooner you can do that, the more money you're going to make. Join me September 13th in the How to Build a Web App course that's starting next. We're going to develop this on Zoom, Google Meet, or on our Discord server. You'll be able to ask me questions personally and follow along with development live as we do it step by step together. It's time to level up. I look forward to meeting you.